Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into a full guide on how to use Notion for apartment hunting, a powerful tool that will streamline your search process. The first step is to create a new page in Notion dedicated to your apartment hunt. This page will serve as your all-in-one dashboard. The reason we do this is so that we have a centralized place to store and organize all the data and notes we gathered during our search. Now that we've done that, let's create a table on the page. This table is where you'll list all the apartments you're considering. For each entry, make sure to include columns for address, price, square footage, number of bedrooms, and any other factors important to you. This helps us because it allows us to compare apartments in a straightforward apples-to-apples manner. Next up, we're going to add a status column. This is where you'll update the status of each apartment, such as contacted, viewing scheduled, or offer made. This is crucial because it enables you to keep track of where you are in the process with each apartment. Now, let's add some more powerful features. Using Notion's powerful databases, link each entry in your table to a new page. Here, you can add more detailed notes, photos, and even a checklist of what you liked and didn't like. This matters because it allows you to keep all relevant information in one place and easily refer back to it later. Lastly, remember to set up reminders. Notion lets you set up notifications for important dates, like your viewing appointments or deadlines to submit applications. This step is indispensable because it ensures you never miss an important date or deadline. To wrap things up, using Notion for your apartment hunting organizes and simplifies your search process, making it less stressful and more efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy apartment hunting.